What's the meaning of cavern? Cavern. Cavern.
Cavern. Cavern. A cavern is a large, natural underground chamber formed over millions of years by the erosion of rock. They can be found all over the world, and are often associated with limestone deposits. Caverns can vary in size and shape, and may contain unique geological features like stalactites, stalagmites, and flowstones. Many caverns are open to the public for tours or exploration by experienced cavers. They are important natural resources that provide insights into the Earth's geological history, and offer visitors an awe-inspiring glimpse into the natural world hidden beneath our feet.